Welcome back to the channel Autoland 2025. Today we bring you something truly exciting from the heart of New York's mechanical soul, the Bronx Motors 2025. This bike isn't just a ride, it's a statement, a combination of raw street power, refined design, and advanced performance engineered for those who live life in the fast lane. Bronx Motors represents the bold attitude of the city that never sleeps. Inspired by the streets of New York, this machine is built for riders who crave freedom, control, and unmatched power on every turn. The Bronx Motors 2025 stands out with its aggressive styling and muscular frame, designed to capture attention from every angle. Its aerodynamic body lines aren't just for show, they're crafted to cut through the air with precision, giving you speed and stability like never before. The LED headlights give it a sharp, futuristic look while enhancing night visibility, making it perfect for both city streets and open highways. Every detail has been engineered to reflect modern craftsmanship and urban dominance. Under the hood, the Bronx Motors 2025 comes equipped with a high-performance engine tuned for maximum output. Whether you're cruising through city lights or accelerating on long stretches, the torque delivery is smooth, powerful, and responsive. The advanced fuel injection system ensures efficient combustion, offering both power and economy. With top-tier suspension and braking systems, this bike delivers superior handling, giving riders confidence on every curve and every stop. It's not just about speed, it's about control, comfort, and the connection between rider and machine. When you sit on the Bronx Motors 2025, you feel the perfect blend of ergonomics and power. The riding position is designed for long rides and short bursts alike, sporty enough for thrill seekers, yet comfortable enough for everyday use. The seat cushioning, handlebar height, and foot peg placement have been meticulously designed to minimize fatigue while maximizing control. It's a bike that doesn't just move your body, but also stirs your soul. Technology plays a huge role in the Bronx Motors 2025. It features a fully digital instrument cluster with smart connectivity options. You can sync your smartphone, access navigation, and even check performance stats in real time. The Bluetooth-enabled system allows for hands-free control of music and calls, keeping the rider connected without distraction. Safety features like ABS, traction control, and multiple ride modes ensure that you're always in command, no matter what the road throws at you. The sound of Bronx Motors 2025 is something every rider will fall in love with. The exhaust note has been tuned to perfection, deep, bold, and commanding. It announces your arrival before you even appear. This isn't just a sound, it's the heartbeat of the city captured in motion. The engineers behind Bronx Motors knew that true bikers don't just want performance, they want personality. And this bike delivers both in perfect harmony. What truly sets Bronx Motors 2025 apart is its build quality and attention to detail. Every nut, every panel, every weld speaks of precision. The frame is built using high-strength alloys to keep the bike lightweight yet sturdy. The paint finish is durable and glossy, designed to stand up to harsh weather and long rides. Even the tires are designed for superior grip and control, ensuring performance across all terrains. From the bustling streets of downtown to open mountain roads, Bronx Motors 2025 adapts like a true urban warrior. This bike isn't just made for riders, it's made for dreamers, for those who want to feel alive every time they twist the throttle. It's built for people who don't follow the road, they define it. Bronx Motors 2025 reflects the energy of New York itself, bold, unbreakable, and endlessly thrilling. It's the kind of bike that doesn't ask for attention, it demands it. If you are someone who loves the rush of adrenaline, the sound of the engine, and the feeling of total freedom, then Bronx Motors 2025 is your kind of machine. It's not just transportation, it's transformation. Every ride becomes a story, every destination an experience, and every start an adventure waiting to unfold. With this bike, Bronx Motors has redefined what it means to ride with passion and pride. So whether you're an experienced rider or someone stepping into the world of two wheels for the first time, Bronx Motors 2025 is built to inspire confidence, thrill, and style in equal measure. From its design to its performance, every inch of this motorcycle screams perfection and power. The future of riding is here, and it's roaring from the streets of the Bronx straight into your heart. Thank you for watching this video on Autoland 2025. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the Bronx Motors 2025, make sure to hit that like button, Subscribe for more upcoming bike reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support keeps us going and helps us bring you more exclusive auto content from around the world. Until next time, keep your engines running, your spirits high, and always ride safe. I'll see you in the next video.